Welcome back to the channel Trading Simplified. I'm a trading enthusiast and love to simplify trading. To get started, just a reminder that I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for entertainment purposes
This video
only.
is going to be on Nokia. I got a request from one of the subscribers and they were asking about Nokia and if it's a good buy or a good sell or what I think about it. So I've never traded this stock before. I know it's a cell phone company. And before we even look at the chart, I brought up this and just to get a quick range on it, it's a medium cap, $32 billion company, right? Its range for this year is $3.75 to $9.79. So it's in the middle right now. Apparently it's up 47% on the year, so kudos to anybody who got it at $3.75. That's amazing. Then I'm looking at it, and it's bullish on the analyst opinion on Fidelity. And looking at their earnings per share, they have beat earnings first, second, and third quarter. So they had 7 cents, 11 cents, and 9 cents. And when they beat, when you look at your earnings, you got to see like what they actually beat them by. So like I'm looking over here. So they beat, they beat their earnings. They were expected to make 6 cents per share. They made 7. So I mean, whoop-de-doo. It's not a huge thing. Then this one, they were expected to do 6 cents again, and they beat it by 4 cents. So they went up again. And then this one, they were just expected only to make 2 cents per share. Just like not really much of a, I feel like they're growing, which is good, and they're beating their earnings, but it's nothing special. When you think about Nokia and you're trading them, if you're thinking long term, you got to think about who your competitors are. Apple, Garmin, Motorola. Obviously, you have to think about Verizon, AT&T, etc. Now, this is the fundamental analysis just by Fidelity. Like they have like this global market intelligence, people that like judge them and see what they think they are worth. And the valuation is undervalued right now. So everybody believes that this stock's going to go up. And the short-term sentiment, they think it's going to go up. And over the long term, they think it's going to go up, which is nice. Looking at let's actually look at the chart and some of the news that comes with it. So looking here, we can see that some of the news that I noticed when I was looking at Nokia is that they're doing 5G in Japan, so they're obviously trying to grow, which is nice. And they're announcing entry into software as a service. So Nokia is obviously trying to expand and do this and that, but when I look at the chart and I look at where's my support levels and where's my resistance levels, I look at the 1 month real quick. And my resistance levels are clearly at the $5.90. You have one right here. You have a second top right here at 5.9. So these are signs of resistance. So if I was shorting this stock, I would definitely be shorting them at 5.9 because they're going to hit more resistance at the $6 range. Your first support level is going to be down here at the 5.6 and then 5.55. But more importantly, when you look at the 6-month chart, true support level if this thing sells off is going to be 5.25 to 5.3. And then you're also going to have it down here at $5 flat. So if I was trading Nokia and I was going to go long on them, I really wouldn't want to take a position unless it was at the $5 mark. And when I like to trade dip plays and it's only for 10, 20 cents, there's always that hypothetical at the 5.5 where you can try to play like a nice 10 to 15 cent bounce from 5.50 to like 5.65. But then if it goes down to $5, then you might be able to get a nice retest back up to this previous resistance support level at 5.3. So you can run up from $5 up to 5.30. Just something I was looking into. Nokia over the long term, I really don't know, to be honest. There's so many competitors. If you're looking to day trade it and scalp it for cents at a time, then go for it. But just follow the stop loss. Because ever since they had this big rise up where they went up to $9, they really sold off down to $3. And although they've come up, it's taken months. I mean, this is, May, June, July. You'd have to wait a long time to get these gains. And that's over the year. So the 50% a year is amazing, but you have to think if you bought up $9, you've just been holding this the whole time. So it's just something to think about. If you're going to cost basis, I would cost basis. I would definitely only do it if it comes down to like $4 to really make a difference in your cost basis. But I just wanted to bring up Nokia because somebody was asking about it. Am I interested in it? No. It's not something I would trade because the volume is not that good. So I was looking at the volume, the total volume on this, and like these are the bars indicating it, and it's pretty much dead. So it'd be very difficult to trade. So you would buy and it would just be stuck for like look, from 12 to 1 o'clock. It's just stuck at 5.8. Like you can't make any money off that. And it's hard to, I mean, unless you're holding it, then you can. But then when I look at the 6 month chart, it's at 54 on the RSI, which is still high. The 1 year chart, the RSI is at 54. So it's not something that I would be looking to play. It doesn't have enough volume. It's in the middle price right now. It has to make a decision. If it's going to break over 6, that might be a play for the momentum. Then you'll have some volume coming in. But just wanted to bring up Nokia for the subscriber that was asking. If you have any other stocks that you want me to quickly review, I'll definitely go over them because I always like seeing potential opportunities. I don't think this is an opportunity. I could be wrong. I mean, I was talking about Lucid, and this thing has kicked some real booty. I mean, this has killed short sellers. Anybody that's shorted this stock has died because now it's at 55. So that's Nokia. I just wanted to bring it up.